Welcome to the 25th Sunday in the ordinary time of the year. In today's Gospel, Jesus teaches a powerful lesson on humility, service, and the true meaning of greatness in God's kingdom. As he and his disciples travel through Galilee, Jesus takes a moment to teach them privately about his impending death and resurrection. However, the disciples do not fully understand his word and are afraid to ask for clarification. Instead, as they continue their journey, they fall into an argument about who among them is the greatest. When Jesus asks what they were arguing about, the disciples remain silent, likely feeling embarrassed. Jesus knows their hearts and uses this moment to teach them about true greatness. He says, if anyone wants to be first, he must be the last, the very last, and the servant of all. To further illustrate this point, Jesus takes a child and places him in their midst, saying, whoever welcomes one of these little children in my name welcomes me, and whoever welcomes me does not welcome me but the one who sent me. This passage challenges our worldly understanding of success and greatness. In society, success is often associated with power, status, and recognition. But Jesus flips this perspective on its head. In the kingdom of God, greatness is not found in self promotion or seeking personal glory, but in humility and service. The path to true greatness is found by serving others, especially those who are often overlooked or considered insignificant, like a child. By using a child as an example, Jesus points out that greatness in God's eyes involves caring for those who cannot obey you, those who are vulnerable and dependent. A child in Jesus' time and even today has little social standing or power. Yet, by welcoming and caring for such a person, we are welcoming Christ Himself. This message is inspiring because it reminds us that God's values are different from the world's. We are called to serve with humility, to place others' needs above our own, and to seek greatness not through pride but through love and compassion. True leadership in the kingdom of God is servant leadership. Just as Christ came not to be served but to serve, we too are invited to live lives marked by humility, selflessness, and service to others. When we live this way, we reflect the heart of Jesus and bring His kingdom to earth.